आज संवसारीक मातृत्व दीस शिकेरे ताज रिसॉर्टान मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलान संवसारीक मदर डे निमतान सेलिब्रेटिंग द वुमन हू शेप्ड अस ह्या खासा कार्यावळीचें आयोजन केल्लें. प्रेग्नंट बायलां खातीर फोटोशूट सर्त, जैतिवंतांकय डिलिव्हरीचेर डिस्काउंट.
Thank you Manipal Hospital, thank you doctors for taking care of me, and I have a shock what I'm a winner. I'm first time in such a cute event in my life, and I was very excited last 2 days. I was very worried, and now I'm very very happy. Thank you for this day.
To congratulate Manipal Hospital for organizing this amazing event for all the mothers on the occasion of Mother's Day.
So first of all, I wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers there, mothers who are and mothers to be. So here we have a full-fledged brand new women and child wing dedicated to all the women and the mothers to be. It's a fully equipped center, enabled to handle high-risk pregnancies, low-risk pregnancies with all the facilities available in a very upmarket and a very luxurious setting. So come experience a new and a safe and a very uplifting and a very happy motherhood experience at Manipal Hospitals, Goa.
On behalf of Manipal Hospitals, I wish all the moms, to-be moms, a very happy Mother's Day. We hosted a small program today for to-be mothers and at Taj Village, and we had good number of participants who actually contributed a lot of their thoughts, how they feel as mothers, how they feel as to-be mothers. So it was a great program, and Prudent being our partner, thank you so much for being with us. Taj Village hosted this program for us, and Big FM being our radio partner.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.